Now today we restart a pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.6. Now first question has given, solve the following pair of linear equation, reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Reducing them to pair of linear equation means we have to change this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now 1 upon x we have to take as a and 1 upon y we have to take as b. So therefore this equation will change at 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 2. That is 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon 3b is equal to 2. And now by taking LCM of 2 and 3 it is 6. It is 3a plus 2b is equal to 2 and it is 3a plus 2b is equal to 6 to 12. It is the first equation. Similarly, the second equation is 1 upon 3 into 1 upon x and 1 upon 2 into 1 upon y. Same this equation is coming as 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Now this equation 1 and equation 2 you can solve by any method. So it is elimination method I have solved. I have taken to solve it. Eliminate a first. So coefficient of a will be same. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. It is coming these two forms. Now substituting these two equations, it is 6a will cancel. It is minus 5b is equal minus 15 and b is equal to 3. And substitute this value of b in equation 1, we get 3 into a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Now it is a is equal to 2. Now a and b is not our solution. Our solution is xy. So 1 upon a is equal 1 upon x. 1 upon x is equal to 2 we have got, and b is equal we have got 3. b means 1 upon y is equal to 3. Now 1 upon x is equal to x is equal 1 upon 2, reciprocal it, and y is equal to 1 upon 3. So it is the solution. Next question is 2 upon root x, 3 upon root y is equal to 2. So you have to take 1 upon root x is equal to a and 1 upon root y is equal to b. Now write this equation as 2 into 1 upon root x plus 3 into 1 upon root y is equal to 2. So it is 2a plus 3b is equal to, it is the first equation. And similarly second equation is 4a plus minus 9b is equal to 1. Now these two equation we can, by elimination method we have to solve, or any method you can take. I have done by elimination method. It is multiply equation 1 by 2 to same coefficient, to make the same coefficient of a. So it is 4a plus 6b is equal to 4 and 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Now eliminate a. It is coming b is equal to 1 upon 3. And similarly a, substitute the value of b in equation 1, we get a is equal 1 upon 2. Now a and b is not our solution. We have to find out the value of x and y. So b is 1 upon root 2 is equal 1 upon 3. Now squaring both sides, 1 upon y is equal 1 upon 9, y is equal to 9. Similarly a is equal 1 upon 2. So 1 upon root 2 is equal 1 upon 2. 1 upon root x is equal 1 upon 2. Squaring both sides, it is 1 upon x is equal 1 upon 4, x equal to 4. It is our solution. Next question is 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14. 3 upon x minus 4y is equal to 23. Now this equation, if the question has given but without changing the in linear form, only given solve the equation, in that case no need to take 1 upon x equal a or 1 upon y is equal to b, no need to take that. Directly we can solve it. Is the first equation. Is the second equation, you multiply the first equation by 4 and second equation by 3 to eliminate y. Now it is coming 16 upon x plus 12y is equal 56, and second equation is coming 9 upon x minus 12y is equal to 69. Now these two equation, if we add as the opposite sign, we have to add this equation. cancel this part. It is 16 upon x, 9 upon x. It is 16 plus 9, 25 upon x is equal to 125. X is equal 25 upon 125. X will come, will exchange its place. So it is x equal 1 upon 5. Now substitute this value in any of the equation. Here I have substituted x is equal 1 upon 5. It is 20 plus 3y is equal to 14. 3y is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now this y is equal minus 2, you substitute any of the equation. So you will get the x is equal to, already we have got x's value. X is equal 1 upon 5 we have got, and y is equal to minus 2. It is the solution. Next equation has given, it is the first equation, it is the second equation. Now 5 upon x minus 1 and 1 upon y minus 2. This part you have to take as a and this is b. So 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b. This equation will change at 5a plus 1b is equal to 2. This one, and this is 6a plus minus 3b is equal to 1. It is the second equation. To eliminate b, we have to multiply equation 3 by 3. So we are getting, it is 15a plus 3b is equal to 6, and this one is 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Now 3b cancel. 21a is equal 7, a is equal to 1 upon 3. A is equal 1 upon 3. Now substitute this value. 5 into 1 upon 3 plus b is equal to 2, b is equal 1 upon 3. Now as we have taken a is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. So cross multiply, x minus 1 equal 3, x is equal to 4. And similarly b is equal 1 upon 3. b is 1 upon y minus 2 is equal 1 upon 3. So y is equal to 5. So solution is x equal 4, y is equal to 5. Next question is, question number fifth one is, this is 5. Now xy you can divide by 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy. So we can change this equation in the form of 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. And it is coming, x cancel, 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. One equation. And this one also it will change as 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. Now again, similarly we can solve, we can eliminate. You eliminate to x, you have to multiply equation 3 by 7 and equation 4 by 2. Then it is 49 upon y minus 14 upon x is equal 5 7s are 35. And this one is 16. By 2 you have multiplied. 16 upon y plus 14 upon x is equal to 30. These two. Now you add, you have to subtract this. It is plus. Okay. This one is a plus. So by adding these two cancel, it is 65. 49 plus 16, 65 upon y is equal to 65. So y is equal to 1. Substitute this value in equation. In equation 3, we get x is equal to 1. So x is equal 1, y is equal to 1. It is the solution of this equation. Now next is 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. You can divide it by 6xy and 3 is common of these three terms. So by 3xy you can divide these whole terms. So it is 3xy, 3xy, 3xy you divide, it is 2 upon y plus 1 upon x. Y cancel, 1 upon x is equal to 6 upon 3 means 2. It is the first equation. First equation change into third equation. And next second equation will change as 2y, 2 upon y plus 4 upon x is equal to 5. It is the fourth equation. Now fourth and second equation, 2 upon y and 2 upon y, it is same. So we can subtract these two equations to eliminate y. You subtract it, so this is cancelled. It is 1 plus 4, 5. It is 1 minus 4. So it is minus 3 upon x is equal to, it is minus 3, 2 minus 5 minus 3, x is equal to 1. Now again, substituting the value of x in equation 3, we got y is equal to 2. So x equal 1, y is equal to 2. Next, this is the equation. Now, is the 1 upon x plus y is equal to x, a, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. So it is 10a plus 2b minus 4 is equal to 0. Actually, I have taken 4 this side. So minus 4 is equal to 0. And this one 2. Matlab means it is 15a minus 5b is equal to, plus 2 is equal to 0. In this form I have taken. I have taken in this form because I want to solve it by cross multiplication method. So now this one is a coefficient, b coefficient and c coefficient I have written here right hand side. Now a upon, same formula you have to write. It is 2 into 2 minus 4 into minus 5. Then when you are doing b, you have to hide b. So minus 4 into 15 minus 10 into 2 and 1, you have to hide one part. It is 10 into minus 5 into 2 into 15. Okay. Now in this way a is equal to 1 upon 5 and b is equal to 1 we have got. Now substitute this value a and b. A is 1 upon x plus 5. X plus y. So it is x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. These two equations, and now from the, by these two equations if we add, y we eliminate. So by adding these two equations, x is equal to 3 we have got and y is equal to 2 we have got. So it is the solution. Now question number 8th one. Okay. Same 3x, 1 upon 3x plus y is this a and 1 upon 3x minus y it is b. This equation will change. Here I have taken u and v. So u plus v is equal to 3 upon 4 the first equation, and it is the u minus v is equal to minus 1 upon 4. It is the second equation. So by solving it, u is equal to 1 upon 4 and v is equal to 1 upon 2 we have got. And now again u means 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4. Cross multiply it. 3x plus y equal to 4. Another equation, third equation. And v is equal 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Again cross this. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now this equation you again solve by elimination method. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 we have got. It is the solution. Now next is format the following problems as a pair of linear equation and hence find their solution. First question, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of current. When in a river, suppose a boat is going upstream. So boat speed is more than the speed of the current. Current is coming downwards and the boat is going upward. So boat speed is more than the current. Let speed of boat is x km per hour and speed of current is y km per hour. So average speeds when it is going downwards, the average speed means speed of boat and speed of current will add. And in upward direction, the speed of boat minus speed of current. It is the average speed. Now, Average speed of Ritu in the case of downstream x plus y kilometer per hour, distance 20 kilometer and time 2 hours has given in the question. Now we know that distance is equal to speed into time. So it is distance 20, speed this one and time 2. So this equation is forming as, it is, if you by 2, if you cancel it, is 10. So x plus y is equal to 10. It is the first equation. Now second condition, when it is rowing upward direction in upstream, speed x minus y, distance 4 kilometer, time 2 hours. Now relation is distance equal to speed into time. So x minus y is equal to 2. Now solve these two equation. Solve, you know that. So it is speed x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. So speed of rowing, Ritu's speed of rowing is in still water is 6 km per hour and current is 4 km per hour. Next question is, 2 women and 6 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and that taken by one man alone. Now this type of question, you first see this one. Suppose in X day an woman can finish the work. Total part of the work we take as one part. So okay. So in X day one woman can finish one part. So in one day one woman, how much part he is doing? It is by unitary method, it is 1 upon x part. So in 2 days how much he will do? 2 upon x part. Clear? Similarly, has given 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So this equation you see, 2 women and 5 men. So women's per day work is 2 upon x and men's per day work is 5 upon y. So together is 1 upon 4. In 4 days they can do. So in 1 day 1/4 part they will do. So it is 2 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal 1 upon 4. It is the first equation. Similarly, the second condition is 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. 3 women and 6 men, 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 1 upon 3. It is the second equation. Now, this equation, if you take 3 as a common factor, it is 1 upon 3 common. So, it is 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal, these 3 will come this side. It is 1 upon 9. It is the second equation actually. First and second. Now, as previously you have solved the equation, again same method you have to solve these two equations. Now, here we have got v is equal 1 upon 36. So, v is equal 1 upon y. 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 36. So, y is equal to 36. And substitute this value of v, this one, u we are getting 1 upon 18. 1 upon 18 is v. So, v is equal 1 upon x equal 1 upon 18, x equal 18. That means, hence the time taken by one woman alone to finish the embroidery work x is, that is 18 days, and one man can do it in 36 days. Okay. Now next is, Rohi travels 300 km to her home apart by partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. By 300 km, 60 km she is traveling by train. Okay. So remaining is 240 km by bus. She travels 100 km. Instead of 300 km, now it is 100 km by, by bus, by train 100 km and remaining by bus. So out of 300, 100 kilometer by train and 200 remaining 200 kilometer by bus. And she will take 10 minutes more, 10 minutes longer. So previously it was 4 hours and now it is 4 hours for 10 minutes. Okay. Now let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour and bus is y kilometer per hour. So first terms and condition, total 300 kilometer, distance traveled by train 60 kilometer and distance traveled by bus is 240 kilometer. So time taken is by train is 60 by x, distance upon speed, it's time. So 60 upon x, and bus is 240 upon y. It is also distance upon speed. Is it time? So total time is 4 hours. So equation we get 60 upon x plus 240 upon y is equal to 4. You take common as 4 from these two. It is 15 upon x plus 60 upon y is equal to 4. 4 cancel. Now 15 again take common from these two terms. 1 upon x plus 4 upon y. Now 15 will come this side, is equal 1 upon 15. It is the first equation. Now second terms and conditions. She travels 100 kilometer by train and total 300 kilometer. So by bus 300 minus 100, 200 kilometers. Similarly the terms and by terms and condition 100 upon x. Similarly as we have done this side, it is the distance upon speed. It is the time. Distance upon speed for the bus. So 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equal 4 whole 10 upon 60. Now see that 4 hours 10 minutes. 10 minutes if you change into hour upon 60. So that you can write at 4 whole 10 upon 60. Clear? Now this part is 0 cancel. It is 25 upon 6 and take 100 as a common from here. It is 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 25 upon 6 into 1 upon 100. Now it is equation is 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 1 upon 24. 6 4s are 24. Okay. Now it is the second equation. Again by any of the method you can solve this two equation as previously we have done. Now I have solved it by elimination method. Y is, we have got 80 and substitute this value of y, we have got x is equal to 60. So then hence speed of train is 60 km per hour and speed of bus is 80 km per hour. Here the exercise 3.6 end. Now I have given a assignment. This is the assignment of exercise 3.6. The word problem I have not given here. Similar type of question I have given as I have solved in this exercise. Okay. And answer also I have given here. You check in. Answer of all the questions here. You please complete it. Thank you so much.